Alright guys, we made it to the place where we're gonna do the SUP Yoga, which I'm very excited about because it's windy and it's gonna be fun and interesting. I've never done it before. I think all three of you have done it before, right? Yeah. So we'll see how it turns out. What did you think, Karina?
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it. Yeah. Very relaxing too.
Of course, we have a private dancer in the background. It was a lot of fun. It wasn't as hard.
How many times did you guys fall?
Once.
Thank you.
Thank you for pointing it out. Very important. I set up my camera on the rocks to film it, but I think it shut down after a while, so I don't know if it really filmed anything. But it was a lot of fun. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was. We did fall, like she fell once and I fell once, but it was nice and refreshing.
Yeah, I thought the balance thing was gonna be harder, but
it wasn't too bad. So we can definitely recommend it. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You should try it. Also, the last part when you just lay on the board and you just relax. I almost fell asleep. It was so relaxing.
I opened my eyes and I looked at the clouds and I was like, oh my god. I felt like I was just going with
The yellow one?
I'm not sure about the exact name of it, but it's a quarantine building.
Yeah,
oh,
that's how we also call it.
Back in the 17 and 1800s, if I'm not mistaken, when people were coming to the island and they were sick, they would get sent to that spot, which, as you can see, is a quite secluded spot from the rest of the island, to ensure that they were not a threat for the inhabitants of the island.
Wow.
And the story is that to this day, there's still ghosts of those people.
I just wanted to ask, is it haunted?
That's what they say.
So they say.
Oh God.
So when we go explore it, and if you feel something cold or 1800s sailor.
So now we're just gonna walk up these steps to this old ruin. We could even see the cannons when we were doing the paddleboard yoga. Hi. Where horror movies start. So Rainy and Karina are gonna fly their drones, which I'm very excited about because I don't have one and I really enjoy aerial footage. It's just so much nicer if you can see things from up above. Guys, so Rainy's flying his drone. There is a bird already circling and it's a bigger bird than the drone, so we'll see who wins. Rainy's gonna win, he says. Oh look, it's getting close. Jesus. Oh my god, what's happening? Don't fly into the hole. Oh god. Sounds like a very angry mosquito.
It's what Casey Neistat says. Doesn't matter the equipment as long as you get the shot. If you have the money for it.
Oh man.
So this is one of the 5 forts the Dutch built when they conquered the island away from the Spanish. This is the only one we have on this part of the island. The other 4 are centered around the main harbor because that was the one they used for trade and stuff like that. Most warehouses were also built along the main harbor.
It was a very rough for the people from here. They got invaded a lot, no?
Yeah, the native people, they were basically wiped out after the Spanish came.
Completely?
Yeah.
Oh god.
because of course they were not used to the diseases, and
Yeah,
they
oh,
were
yeah.
used as slaves before the African slave trade started.
Oh, okay. I was hoping you were gonna walk by and make a scary face. You should start singing now. This feels like a moment where you should sing.
Why not?
You can sing to your love.
He apparently doesn't want me to sing.
Doing? No, that's not safe for me.
Oh,
you're
a
just
twist.
walking on the
Karina is not gonna do it.
No, she said
Dun, dun,
that
dun.
it's not safe.
Well, I'm
That's
not
the
sure what he's
first-
doing. Are you walking over there? Because if you're just gonna sit there, I can join you.
Are you knocking and see if the ghosts are letting you in?
But maybe you can walk on the wall.
That wall.
Oh my
Yeah.
god,
Wow.
guys.
No, don't step
No,
on
and
that.
with the thorns and
Yeah, but
everything.
don't step on the roof.
No, I can't.
So guys, we came to Rainy's place and we're gonna have lunch here, which is gonna be lovely. It already smells really good. We're hungry, and especially what I really like is to try new things. Is it today where we're gonna have the iguana soup? Tomorrow? I mean, we'll see. Why not?
Mimi said it.
I just want to eat it. How long do you do that?
How long? When do you know when to stop?
That's okay. Okay. Yay!
Now?
So what did you think of the meal?
It was delicious.
Wasn't
So
it?
good. Everything was just so good. Oh
So
my God.
good. Oh, they are so nice as well.
Yeah.
So they made the funchi. I think you already saw it in yesterday's or last week's video. It's the polenta kind of thing, but they do it thicker, so it's you can actually cut it like a cake afterwards. Then she did a chicken stew with vegetables and fried plantain. Did you like the fried plantain?
God,
yeah. Me too. I love the fried plantain. And now we have, I think this is it just fruit, or is it something?
They make it like I think it's just water, and like this one's pineapple, and then you just freeze it. So it's like a juice.
Yeah, it's like a frozen. So we got the pineapple one. We're gonna let it melt a little bit. Very nice. Mango.
Punchy, 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 punchy,
Let's all make a weird noise.
Punchy, 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 punchy.
Hey, do the beatbox thing.
Oh yeah. Ich bekifft, ich bekifft, ich Mango.
punchy, punchy, punchy.
When you guys are all finished, that's when I'm gonna start. And then you guys will be all jealous.
Guys, this fresh mango is so sweet. That is the thing, when you travel and then you come back home and you buy a mango in Switzerland, it's just gonna piss you off.
Exactly.
Because, yeah. Oh man.
That's why you never leave.
Oh yeah. Hey everyone, as you can see, I'm back home. We had a lovely day today with Emily's and Rainy's family. It was really nice to meet them and get a little bit, like a little glimpse of their family life and their culture here, and they are honestly such lovely people, and yeah, it was just very nice, and I'm so thankful that I get to experience this island with them and their family. It's really nice. As you can see, I'm all shiny, and that is because I put a ton of coconut oil on my face and on my body, because we do get a lot of sun all day long, and my skin is quite sensitive, as you know. My sunburn, it is looking better, but you know, gotta take care of it. So yeah, that's what's happening. I am finishing some video things, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, because tomorrow morning we have to get up very early. I have to be at Emily's place at 6:15 in the morning, because we're gonna go hiking. We're gonna go hike up Christoffelberg. Yeah, we have to do it very early. Apparently it's only allowed to do it until 10 o'clock in the morning, because it gets so hot, and there have been people who died because they went like around midday and they got a heat stroke. So you do have to be careful, and you do have to hydrate enough, and yeah, just take care of yourself when you go hiking up there, because sunshine and very hot temperatures, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I upload videos every single Sunday. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. No, don't forget. And yeah, I wish you a wonderful week and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!